Here we know that if we multiply 1 by 1, if we multiply 1 by 1, then you'll get 1. If we multiply 1 by 1, and again if we add one more 1 to this multiplication, right, then your answer will again be 1. And if you add one more 1 to this multiplication, then this will be 1 times 1 times 1 times 1, and your answer will again be 1. So the point is that doesn't matter how many times you multiply 1 by 1, your answer will always be 1, right? I mean, you can go on, you can multiply 1,000 times with 1. Okay, so answer will always be 1. But what will matter is that suppose you have minus 1 times minus 1, right? So here you know that, I mean, in the previous videos, our lectures, we learned that if we multiply negative integers 2 times or even number of times, 2 is an even number. So if we multiply negative integers even number of times, then your final outcome or the result will not contain minus sign. So here it will be simply 1, right? Because you have 2 negative integers. What if you have minus 1 times minus 1 times minus 1? So in this case you have 3 negative integers, right? Now 3 is an odd number, and if you have odd number of negative integers in a given multiplication, then that multiplication will give a negative result or a result with a negative sign. So here you'll have minus sign and then 1. Okay, what if it was minus 1 times minus 1 times minus 1 times minus 1? So the concept will again be saying that you have 4 negative integers. 4 is an even number. If you multiply even number of negative integers, then your final outcome will not contain minus sign. So in this case again you'll have only you'll have 1, right? So the basic point was saying 2 points, that if you go on multiplying 1 by 1, I mean, it doesn't matter how many times, 1,000 times or lakhs, it will always give 1. And whether this, if you have minus 1 even number of times, then the final result will be only 1. If you have minus 1 odd number of times, then your final result will be minus 1, right?